I have the turkey meat mostly cooked through. So this is oil, canola oil. I made a brine. This brine here is made with 7-Up, chili, a little bit of salt, some spices, onions, and scallion. Now we brine that. Look at the power on that. Woo! Right, and that looks more delicious than a regular turkey leg, right? We have some sweet potato fries. These are blanched, which means they were lightly fried. Testing the limits. But again, I have no fear because it all goes down here, and I get the drain pan here I can empty. But again, you can't do this inside. You can put some of these here. Right, it's about cooked. And that was on in less than an hour probably, but look at the caramelization. Look at the skin, the crust. But we're gonna jump forward to a little turkey toast for the next day. And this is just sourdough, country bread. It's olive oil, you know, just moisten it up a little bit. Simple, a nice good amount of olive oil, don't be shy. Look at that. Would you look at that? We're gonna carve this bad boy. See, the meat is nice and clean, crispy. Okay, so I got a few slices. Next is the avocado toast. So it'll be cheap. A little bit of red pepper flakes, some scallions. Right, some pomegranate, make it look nice. Turkey porn. Not your standard grill. It's XO, baby. Hugs and kisses.